Hey guys, Eric Kyle here, publisher of Great Lakes Scuttlebutt magazine, and I'm excited to be down to the Chicago Boat Show right here in beautiful downtown Chicago. I love this show, by far one of my favorite shows throughout the course of the whole year. So while I'm here, I'm wandering around. I'm looking for some fun, exciting new stuff to report to you guys on, and our friend Hanni over at Boatsafeheaters.com. She's got some great information for you guys. Hanni, how are you?
Good, how are you?
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Me too.
Yes. Now, you told me you're going to be nervous doing this, but you're going to do absolutely fine. I want you to tell me about Boatsafe heaters.
All right, so electric heater for your bilge or engine compartment.
Okay,
You can
smart.
also use them for RVs, however, we are branded for boats right now.
Okay.
You just plug it in. It goes on at 45 degrees, off at 55 degrees. So it just cycles on and off as needed throughout the winter.
So tell me, why would I want something like this on my boat? I mean, what's the purpose? I know that we live up here in the Great Lakes and all that kind of stuff, but why do I need a boat heater on my boat? Because I'm not going to be staying on my boat in January, right?
Right, however, it's better for the batteries on your boat, your engine compartment. It keeps everything dry and warm.
Now that's smart. So let's say I've got my boat in storage. Let's say that it's cold storage, so it's outside and it's just shrink wrap. Is this the situation for this? Because inside heated storage, I wouldn't need one, right?
No, you wouldn't.
Okay, so if it's outside shrink wrap, I want to put one of these on my boat. So do I have to have an electric cord go into my boat?
So, yes.
Okay.
It's 20 foot long, but you can put it to an extension cord.
Okay, so I put it on an extension cord, run it from the building.
Yeah, I guess it depends on how far away you are.
That's true, that's true. So I want to keep this inside of my bilge area for the purposes of making sure that everything in there stays nice and dry and cozy,
Yep.
so that we don't get any water in the engine and have problems.
Yes.
Or other places and have problems.
Yeah, corrosion.
Right. So how does it, I mean, what's the whole main idea behind this? Is it just to keep the boat safe?
It's to help your
Dry?
battery. Yeah, so everything, keep it dry. Obviously,
Okay.
moisture isn't real great.
Yeah.
It helps corrosion happens.
Right.
And then it helps the battery stay powered up. So
Good.
when batteries get cold, they drain faster.
Right.
So when you're ready to start back up, your batteries will be nice and warm.
Honey, where'd this idea come from? Did you come up with it?
No.
Somebody
They've
came up
actually
with
been
it?
around since 1990.
Okay.
They were started in, I think it's Edisto, South Carolina.
Oh,
Carolina.
down in the coastal Carolina
Yeah.
area. Okay.
Yeah, it was. I think started in a guy's garage.
Okay.
And then became a little bit bigger, and then my boss bought it about 5 years ago.
Okay.
Now we're in Hatfield, Pennsylvania.
Oh, nice.
So
And are you guys
we
aggressively?
manufacture and we sell them.
Okay. So you do the whole thing.
Yeah.
Okay. And so there's different levels I noticed over here, a bunch of
Yes.
different numbers and then a W next to it. So tell me about what
All
you
right,
got.
so we have 1,000 watt, which is the largest one.
Okay.
600 watt, 300 watt, which is the same size. And then we have the Mini Max, which is also 600 watt. However, this you can put anywhere you need to. And it's great for small compartments. So
That's
we
very
have
slick.
a test button here.
It's warm.
And then also, if you have like a free spray or a can of air, you turn it upside down, spray it on the thermostat, it'll turn on.
Okay.
So you want to test it every year before the beginning of the season.
So I'm a boater. I'm in the Great Lakes area. Obviously, I'm concerned about my baby, my boat, and I want to take as best
You
care of
love
it as
her.
possible. Exactly. I love it more than anything else in the whole wide world. Just kidding, honey. Where can I find you online if I can't make it down to the Chicago show and I want to
My
come visit you and
website.
find out?
Boatsafe.com.
So you made it pretty difficult, honey.
Yes.
Boatsafe.com. Not
Theboatsafe.com.
theboatsafe.com.
Yes.
Okay.
Theboatsafe.com.
Okay, and there
Boatsafe.
I can find out more information about which product would be
Yeah.
right for my boat. So
Yeah.
like if I have a 30-foot boat, I may only want to use a 300 watt, but if I have like a 40-foot boat, I may want
Right.
to use
If
a
you have
600
more
foot
than
watt.
2 engines, especially up here where it's very cold, you're going to want 2,000 watt. If you have a generator, anything else that you need to keep warm,
Yeah.
or if it's large enough for you to stand in, you're going to want at least 2,000 watts. If you have a small boat under 25 feet, single engine, you're probably fine with a 600 watt.
I'll just remind you, you said up here where it gets very cold. It's
Doesn't
16
it?
out there right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. We need to have these on our boats, honestly.
Yes, we
I mean, this
do.
is a fantastic thing. Okay, so I can go to theboatsafe.com, find out all the information about what size would be appropriate for my boat. Can I buy the product there?
Yes, you can.
Okay, so buy the product there.
Yeah.
Honey, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wonderful job. You didn't need to be nervous at all, did you? Theboatsafe.com. Make sure you go there, check it out, find out which one of these heaters are going to work right for your boat. Buy it, get it on your boat, rest easy at night. Thanks so much, guys. We'll
Thank
see you out on the
you.
water.